This is Anita with Homestead Evolution, and this morning we're going to make homemade creamer. If you look at the store-bought commercial creamers, there are so many things in there that sometimes I don't know how to pronounce it. We're going to do 3 ingredients here. First being Eagle brand condensed milk. I'm just going to pour this into a quart mason jar. Doesn't matter what brand you use. I would prefer to do this in a wide mouth jar, however my lid for this is a regular, so I'm kind of stuck to that. Get as much of it out of here as you can. And I just made a mess. We'll wipe that off here in a minute. Now the second ingredient, I use half and half. If I have milk, sometimes I'll use milk. It depends on what I have. Sometimes I'll use heavy whipping cream. Today we have half and half. We're going to fill it up to about there. Now this is homemade vanilla. This is vodka and vanilla bean. I mean, this is not a true tablespoon, but I put about 3 tablespoons of this vanilla in there. Now this lid comes from Jarware. It will slide up in here and it actually snaps into the ring. So you use that later. I'll put this lid on, get it good and tight, and we just shake. You want to make sure you get all of that sweetened condensed milk off the bottom of the jar. Sometimes it takes getting that spatula down in there, getting it off the edges. It is mostly combined. That good shake gets it started for you. Now, all we want to do is fill the jar the rest of the way up. Stir it up real well. Now I always give it a little taste. Could use a little more vanilla. Another tablespoon of vanilla in there. Okay, there you have it. I have a clean, damp cloth. This will get sticky. I want to clean all this that I dripped off. Put these in the sink. And wipe the outside of this jar where of course I made a mess. I always make a little mess. This lid on nice and tight. You can shake this. I like to put my finger over the tab. Every morning you shake it, pour a little into your coffee cup. There you have it. Homemade coffee creamer with 3 ingredients. This will keep. I usually go by the expiration date on whatever type milk or creamer, heavy cream or whatever I use. So I have until July 15th on this, and it'll be gone way before that. Y'all have a good day.